Today I have GMC Yukon 2024. I'm going to make the spare key. This is a working remote and I'm going to make this one spare. GMC Yukon 2024. I'm going to do the 8 spare key with using OBD Star X300 DB Plus with the pin code. So let's see how to program this. Let's read the key code first. How many keys there? Press start button once. So there is 2 keys already, and we are going to make the third one. In case. Okay, so we are going to send this code to the third party, and when third party give us the code, you put the code and put the enter, then we are getting the one more code. So I push the videos here and I will come back again when I got the code. GMC Yukon 2024. So I got the code. Now I'm going to put the code, and you have to keep on the mind, code should be the right. If you are doing the wrong, you have to buy the code again and again. So make sure the code is always right. C 4071C. Something is wrong is there. 762099 A699 7FE 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 7C0 57C50 71C. So our first cost is finished. Now we have to take the second code. So you have to take the screenshot this and send to the again third party. And I will push the video here. When I got the second code, I will come back again. So So now it's waiting about 10 minutes and keep the switch ignition is on and wait the 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we'll come back again. So put the new smart key into the cup holder, the one you want to program it, and press enter. Press hold a start button for more than 2 seconds. Now ready for key 4 here. You can see here is already mentioned, but it's now ready for key 4. Yes, key number 3 is success. Press enter. So the 3 keys is done program number 3, and if you want more keys you can put the enter. So I don't want the more keys, I will put back. Press start button first. So keep on the pressing start button. Release start button. So it turns switch ignition off. Open and close the driver door. Secure Bob. And enter. Program is complete. Now 3 keys already. You have to disconnect that device from the car. Open the door and close, and you can try the new remote. Okay, you can see you can try the old one It's working. You can try the new one. It's working. Okay, so it's fine. All of this is GMC Yukon 2024. I did the 8 smart key with the X300 dB plus. Thank you guys.